In this tutorial video, we're going to show you how to give and receive referrals using Referral Metrics software. Assuming you've already created your trial subscription or that you're a paid subscriber to Referral Metrics, you would simply just go to www.myreferralmetrics.com. Your username is your email address, you put in your password, and you click OK to enter. When you first log in each time, you'll see the exact same screen. This is your dashboard. In order to give referrals or receive referrals and log them into the system, you can do that in one of two ways. You can either go to the referrals navigation item up above here. You can click on referrals and then click on new in order to start the process, or I'll go back to the main page. We have this area here that you can click on new, and it takes you more direct right to the referral giving process. So when you click on new as a referral, you have to choose, am I giving a referral or am I receiving a referral? So in this case, we'll just say that we are logging a referral that we've gotten. So now I have to choose who's giving me the referral. And I am going to choose my friend Dave Smith. And Dave has two different jobs that he's engaged in. And in the case here, Dave created this referral through his role at Time Warner. And now I am just going to put the details of the referral. And I save the referral. That is how easy it is to log a referral that someone has given to you. If there are pieces of information that I need to add to that, I can actually come in here and edit the referral. I may have a new note that I want to put in. If this were a project or something that would be done in stages, I can actually change the status of a referral by using this drop-down list. I could say that a project may be on hold, or that I've made contact with the individual but haven't quite gotten to the proposal stage yet, or it could be a closed piece of business that I need to categorize as well. If I close out a referral, meaning that we've gone completely to the end and the project is over or the sale's been made, there's nothing more to do, if I do categorize this as closed, there's a couple of things that happen. One, the color changes on the status of the referral, letting you know that it is now closed. Red is designated for a closed referral. If a referral generates revenue, I can put in the revenue number here. I am the only one who sees that number. That's not shared with anyone else. That number is there so that I can calculate my return on investment when I am getting referrals from other people. If I look at my year-end stats, I can see how many referrals I've given, how many I've received, and of the revenue that was generated, it's all tabulated in a report for me automatically because I have closed out each referral, and any dollar amount that was generated I put in here. This little item over here is so that when someone gives me a referral, I can deem whether it's a quality referral or not. What that really means is, did I have the opportunity to win the business? That doesn't necessarily mean that it created revenue, but it does mean that I considered it a great referral. And what happens when I deem something a quality referral? I can put this little asterisk in here, and when I save it, it will actually put a star next to the referral, and it sends a note back to the person who gave me the referral, letting them know, hey, that was a quality referral. Oftentimes when you give a referral to another individual, you never know whether it was a good referral, bad referral. You just don't get any feedback. This way, you can actually let the person know that that was a quality referral and that you appreciated it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to update this referral now. And now you'll see up above there's a star and that it's been closed. So that's how you can enter a referral that someone has given to you. Now, if you wanted to generate another referral for someone else, you would just go up here, you could click on New, and the only difference in the giving and the receiving is you just select the other direction. You would be giving a referral, and then you select the person from your contact list of who you're giving the referral to. And once you've selected that person, it automatically would put in their information as far as what they're like. Let's say, for example, I choose Mr. Agan. It has all his information. I put in the notes and I hit save. What happens when you save a referral? It automatically generates an email to the person that you're giving the referral to that they have a referral waiting for them. It gives them information as to who to call. You can put in the phone number or the email address of the person that they need to contact. But what is more important when you have a referral generated, we can go over to our metrics page, and you can begin to see the reporting data. And it's all because I've just entered referrals that people have either given to me or that I've given to them. And we start seeing breakdowns of where your referrals are coming from. And why is this important? It's because if you are able to see where your referrals are coming from, if you find that realtors are the biggest category to give you referrals, maybe that's an indication you should get to know more realtors. It just gives you a feedback on where you should be spending your time with what types of individuals. As far as your giving, this is a breakdown of people that I've given to, and in this case it looks like I've got a fairly wide variety of different people that I've given referrals to. But it also makes me feel good that I'm able to give to lots of different types of business people. The next item you see here is my Get Referrals by Place. That just lists where I'm getting the referrals, and it looks like I've broken out AmSpirit Business Connections, my own chapter, my home chapter that's in AmSpirit, and also the organization at large. And I have a very important report here, which is my give and get count. This is important for me to know that I'm giving more than I'm receiving, and I need to make sure that I always have the right ratio there, because if you're getting more referrals than what you're giving to others, eventually that's going to be a negative, because people will stop giving referrals to you if they perceive you to be someone who's just a taker and never a giver. And we also have a pie chart here showing the same kind of report. The last report, you can log in your attendance whenever you go to various places, and I'll have another video available that will speak to that and how that works with logging in and checking in when you go to networking events. Thank you for your attention and have a great day. That concludes this tutorial video.